Have you ever wondered what's really holding you back from achieving the financial abundance you've dreamt of? What if the only barrier to the wealth you desire is surprisingly your own ability to accept it? Today, we're diving into a crucial but often overlooked aspect of personal finance, accepting the money you deserve. It's not just about working harder, but aligning your mindset to receive and manage wealth effectively. Money acceptance is a powerful concept that goes beyond mere desire. It involves preparing yourself mentally and emotionally to receive and retain wealth. This might sound straightforward, but in reality, many of us harbor subconscious barriers that prevent us from stepping into a prosperous future. These barriers are not just about the lack of resources or opportunities, but about how deserving we feel of financial success. To begin, let's define what money acceptance means in the simplest terms. It involves feeling worthy of wealth and having a mindset that attracts and holds on to financial opportunities. Think of it as an open door. If your door's only slightly ajar, only so much can come in. Fully opening this door involves a deep internal belief that you are worthy of abundance and are capable of managing it wisely. Now, why is money acceptance crucial? It aligns your subconscious beliefs with your conscious actions, creating a harmonious path toward financial abundance. Without this alignment, there could be a disconnect between what you aim to achieve and what you subconsciously believe you can achieve, which often leads to self-sabotage or missed opportunities. Understanding money acceptance also requires us to explore why we might reject money, sometimes without even realizing it. These reasons are deeply rooted in our psychology and can stem from various sources: past financial failures, the way money was perceived in our family, societal views on wealth, or even self-esteem issues. For instance, if you grew up in a household where money was always tight, you might have internalized the belief that this will always be your reality. Or if you've experienced significant financial losses, your fear of experiencing those again might prevent you from taking the risks necessary for financial growth. These experiences shape a defensive mechanism around money. Identifying your personal barriers to money acceptance is the first step toward dismantling them. This can be done through self-reflection or journaling. Ask yourself questions like, what negative experiences have I had with money? How do I typically react to financial opportunities? Do I feel anxious, skeptical, or negative about new financial prospects? Reflecting on these questions can reveal patterns that may be holding you back. Transitioning from understanding to action, let's explore concrete steps you can take to genuinely open yourself up to wealth. Accepting money is not just an emotional or psychological endeavor. It involves clear, actionable strategies that reinforce your acceptance and readiness for financial growth. First and foremost, setting clear financial goals is crucial. These aren't just arbitrary numbers, but should reflect what you truly aspire to achieve, tailored to your personal dreams and lifestyle. Begin by writing down your short-term and long-term financial goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, quantify what rich means to you. Perhaps it's having a certain amount in savings, earning a specific income, or being debt-free by a certain date. Next, integrate gratitude into your daily routine. It might seem counterintuitive to feel grateful when you're aspiring for more, but gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting abundance. Every day, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate what you already have, be it your current income, savings, or investments. This positive acknowledgement sends a message of abundance to your subconscious, reinforcing your acceptance of more wealth. Adopt positive financial affirmations. These are short, powerful statements that help shift your mindset and counteract any negative beliefs about money. Examples include, I am worthy of financial abundance, or money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning, to set a positive tone for your day. Visualization is another potent tool in your journey towards accepting wealth. It's about creating a vivid mental image of achieving your financial goals, engaging all your senses to make the experience as real as possible in your mind's eye. This technique is not just about wishful thinking, but about psychologically preparing yourself to receive and handle wealth. Start your visualization practice by imagining yourself achieving a specific financial goal. Picture the scene in detail. Where are you? What are you doing? How do you feel? For instance, if your goal is to own a new home, visualize yourself turning the key in your front door, walking through your new house, touching the surfaces, feeling a profound sense of joy and achievement. The more detailed your visualization, the more impactful it will be. Make this practice a regular part of your routine, dedicating a few minutes each day to visualize various aspects of your financial success. This not only boosts your confidence, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your financial aspirations, making you more receptive to opportunities. Moving forward in our journey to financial abundance, it's essential to focus on the narrative we continuously tell ourselves about money, our personal money story. This narrative is often a tapestry woven from past experiences, societal inputs, and personal beliefs, and it can significantly influence our financial behavior and outcomes. To start rewriting your money story, first acknowledge the current script. What does your dialogue about money sound like? Is it filled with scarcity, fear, or distrust? Recognize these patterns, as awareness is the first step towards change. Then deliberately craft a new narrative centered around abundance and positivity. Instead of saying, I never have enough money, reshape it to, I am learning to create more financial abundance each day. As you revise your money story, focus on empowerment. Use language that reflects strength, opportunity, and growth. For instance, if a part of your story involves past financial mistakes, reframe these as learning experiences that have equipped you with wisdom and resilience. This shift not only changes your internal dialogue, but also enhances your external financial decisions. Your environment and the people you interact with regularly can significantly influence your attitudes and behaviors towards money. It's crucial to evaluate how your social circle impacts your journey to accepting and attracting wealth. Do the conversations you have about money with friends or family usually focus on lack and limitation, or do they encourage prosperity and success? If you find that your current circle is not supportive of your financial goals, it may be time to expand your network. Seek out groups, clubs, or communities where financial positivity is the norm. Engaging with individuals who share a mindset of abundance can reinforce your own financial goals and strategies. These interactions can provide both motivation and practical advice, as positive financial habits can indeed be contagious. Consider the role of mentorship in shaping your financial path. A mentor who has navigated their financial journey successfully can offer invaluable insights and guidance. They can help you see possibilities where you might see obstacles, broadening your perspective and enhancing your strategies for wealth creation. As you surround yourself with positivity and support, you reinforce your new money story, one of abundance and possibility. This not only accelerates your personal growth, but also aligns your social environment with your financial aspirations. While we look into reshaping your financial landscape, it's crucial to confront and master one of the most common obstacles to wealth acceptance: financial fear. fear of financial failure, fear of the responsibilities that come with more money, or even fear of outshining peers can deeply influence our financial behaviors, often holding us back from making strides towards abundance. Begin by identifying your specific financial fears. Is it the fear of losing money, the fear of not knowing how to manage it, or perhaps the fear of financial success itself? Understanding the roots of these fears is essential. Once identified, challenge these fears by asking yourself how realistic they are and what you can do to mitigate them. For example, if you're afraid of financial mismanagement, educating yourself on financial planning and budgeting can be an effective countermeasure. Next, use affirmations specifically targeted towards conquering these fears. Affirmations like, "I am capable of managing large sums of money," or "I handle financial success with wisdom and grace," can be powerful tools. Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce a mindset of confidence and capability. Another effective strategy is gradual exposure. Start by taking small, manageable financial risks that feel comfortable. As you experience successes, even minor ones, your confidence will grow, allowing you to tackle larger financial challenges without overwhelming fear. In the journey towards wealth acceptance, it's vital to recognize and celebrate each victory along the way, no matter how small. Celebrating small wins helps build momentum and reinforces the positive changes in your financial mindset and behaviors. Make it a habit to acknowledge every step forward, whether it's sticking to your budget, saving a small amount more than usual, or making a profitable investment decision. These celebrations can be simple: a moment of gratitude, sharing the achievement with a friend, or treating yourself to a small reward. Celebrating these victories does more than just feel good. It psychologically reinforces your capabilities and success, boosting your confidence and readiness to handle bigger financial challenges. It also keeps you motivated and committed to your financial goals, reminding you that progress, no matter the pace, is still progress. In your daily or weekly routine, set aside time to review what you've accomplished financially. Reflect on what these achievements mean for your bigger picture and how they are shaping your path to financial abundance. This regular practice of reflection and celebration plays a crucial role in maintaining a positive and proactive approach to wealth acceptance. While we approach the conclusion of our journey through understanding and accepting financial abundance, it's crucial to reflect on the transformative insights we've covered. Accepting your wealthy self is not just about amassing wealth. It's about fundamentally changing how you view and interact with money. It involves transforming fear into confidence, scarcity and abundance, and passive hope into active expectation. At this stage, you should feel more empowered and equipped to face your financial future with a new mindset. Remember, the journey to financial abundance is ongoing and dynamic. It requires continuous effort and adaptation as your financial situation and goals evolve. Keep applying the principles we've discussed, setting clear goals, practicing gratitude and affirmations, visualizing success, rewriting your money story, surrounding yourself with positive influences, overcoming fears, and celebrating your wins. By now, your relationship with money should start to feel more positive and proactive. You're not just waiting for opportunities, but are creating them through your new mindset and actions. This shift is the essence of accepting and attracting wealth. And before we wrap up, I encourage you to take a moment to think about one key takeaway from this video that you can implement today. Is it setting a new financial goal, starting a gratitude journal, or perhaps scheduling a time each day for visualization. Choose one action and start today. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see changes. I also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What did you find most insightful? Do you have other strategies that have helped you on your journey to financial abundance? Let's continue the conversation and support each other in our quests for financial freedom. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe for more content designed to help you transform your financial future. Your engagement helps us reach more people and create more helpful content. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the path to financial abundance begins with a single step. Take that step today, accept your wealthy self, and watch as the doors to financial opportunities swing wide open for you.